Hello everyone, welcome back to another online session of your English class, and in this lesson we will continue with our chapter 7 with its second part, that is Coorg. Let me tell you, Coorg is actually a very beautiful tourist destination which lies in Karnataka. It is located in Karnataka and it is the smallest district of this beautiful state. It lies between Mangalore and Mysore. Here you can see it is Coorg. Coorg is known as coffee country as well, as there is coffee plantation in abundance, and it is a famous district for its rainforest and spices. We learn much about the chapter or about this place. Let us know something about the author. It is written by, this essay is written by Lokesh Abrol, or Dr. Lokesh Abrol, as he is a renowned doctor by profession. He established the first multi-specialist hospital in the private sector in Gurgaon. Still, he is doing his practice in Delhi or Gurgaon. Lokesh Abrol is also an established writer. The present essay which we are going to learn, Coorg, it highlights the writer's sharp observation and his ability for a graphic description. He has given very beautiful graphic description of this wonderful land that is called Coorg. So let's start reading. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. So according to the writer first giving its location, that it lies, this beautiful piece of heaven lies between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. And according to him, it is a piece of heaven. The beauty leaves such an impact on the writer कि उनको ये लगता है कि this is a piece of heaven that must have been drifted from होता है being carried along gently by air. तो इसको एयर जो है बहती हुई अपने साथ इस पीस ऑफ हेवन को ड्रिफ्ट अलग कर लाई है किंगडम ऑफ गॉड से. दिस लैंड ऑफ रोलिंग हिल्स is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creature. And this beautiful land of rolling hills is inhabited means the people who lives in it. कौन कौन यहाँ पर रह रहा है? That is the proud race of martial men, the people who have to do with war. Warriors हैं, brave men, beautiful women and wild creature we can see in this beautiful land. Coorg or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka. As I have told you, this place is the smallest district. This is a smallest district of Karnataka, and it is home to evergreen rainforest, spices and coffee plantation. एवरग्रीन रेन फॉरेस्ट कवर 30% ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट. तो हम यहाँ से अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि कितनी ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी यहाँ देखने को मिल रही होगी. एवरग्रीन रेन फॉरेस्ट है. एवरग्रीन मीन्स द ट्रीज विच नेवर शेड देयर लीव्स इवन इन द विंटर सीजन. तो ये हमेशा हरा भरा रहता है ये प्लेस. और ये 30% जो ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, इट इज कवर्ड विद दैट काइंड ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. ड्यूरिंग द मॉनसून इट पोर्स इनफ टू कीप मैनी विजिटर्स अवे. मॉनसून सीजन में बहुत हैवी रेन होती है विच डू नॉट अलाउ मैनी विजिटर्स टू विजिट दिस प्लेस. द सीजन ऑफ जॉय कमेंसेस फ्रॉम सितंबर एंड कंटिन्यूज टिल मार्च. तो जो सीजन ऑफ जॉय हैप्पीनेस है और फॉर द बेस्ट सीजन टू एंजॉय दिस प्लेस इज एक्चुअली बिगिंस फ्रॉम सितंबर एंड इट कंटिन्यूज टिल मार्च. कमेंसेस होता है बिगिंस, ठीक है. तो सितंबर टू मार्च का जो सीजन है दैट इज द बेस्ट सीजन टू विजिट दिस प्लेस. द वेदर इज परफेक्ट. उस टाइम पर वेदर यहाँ का परफेक्ट रहता है विद सम शावर्स थ्रोन इन फॉर गुड मेजर्स. कुछ हल्की फुल्की बारिश होती रहती है बीच बीच में, बट दैट इज फॉर गुड मेजर्स, दैट इज फॉर गुड रीजन. मीन्स दे एडेड द ब्यूटी ऑफ द प्लेस. The air breathes of invigorating coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. So invigorating means something that makes one feel strong, healthy or full of energy. तो ऐसी जो coffee plantation है, that could be, that kind of air could be breathed because of that full of energy coffee. और coffee estates और जो colonial bungalows हैं, colonial bungalows means old eras के जो bungalow हैं, that are stand tucked under tree canopies. Canopies means roof like covering that form shelter. ठीक है. तो इतनी dense growth है that the branches of the trees are creating canopies. They are creating shelter, and under those shelters, under the shadows of those tree branches, colonial bungalows or coffee estates are tucked together in prime corners. Prime means best corners. तो इस places के best corners पर we can see the coffee estates and colonial bungalows under the tree canopies. The fiercely independent people of Kurg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. So, fiercely means very brave and independent people of Kurg are possibly they are the descendant of ग्रीक एंड ग्रीस और अरेबिया से शायद उनके पूर्वज जो आए हुए थे। ऐसी कुछ स्टोरीज हमें सुनने को मिलते हैं यहाँ के लोगों के बारे में, ठीक है। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू वन स्टोरी, अलेक्जेंडर व्हेन ही वाज मूविंग बैक, तो उसकी आर्मी का कोई एक टुकड़ा व्हेन दे वर मूविंग अलोंग द कोस्ट ऑफ कुर्ग, तो दे सेटल्ड हियर व्हेन दे फाउंड कि देयर रिटर्न इज बिकमिंग इम्प्रैक्टिकल, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है। व्हेन दे फाउंड दैट द रिटर्न इज इम्पॉसिबल, देन दे सेटल्ड in this particular area only, and these people married amongst the local, or when they settled down, when they decided to settled here for permanently, then they started getting married with the locals, and their culture is apparent in the martial tradition, marriage and religious rite, और उनका वो culture जो है बिल्कुल visible होता है during the martial tradition या marriage या religious जब वो ceremonies करते हैं, which are distinct from the जो हिंदू mainstream से, mainstream होता है something that has been followed by a huge number, तो mainstream जो हिंदू religion followers हैं उनसे उनका वो tradition अलग दिखता है, तो it is thought to be that they are actually those peoples who couldn't return back and they settled and then they got married, and that's why the culture is having some mixed culture. The theory of Arab reason draws support from the long black coats with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavus. तो ये अब वाली जो थ्योरी है, अब के रीजन की थ्योरी है, वो जो उनका पहनावा है वो भी उस चीज़ को सपोर्ट करता है, बिकॉज दे यूज टू वेयर अ लॉन्ग ब्लैक कोट, और वहाँ उस ब्लैक कोट पर दे यूज टू वेयर अ वेस्ट बेल्ट दैट इज एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड, ठीक है। ये वहाँ के लोग कोडावूस जो हैं दे पहनते हैं, नोन एज कूपिया, इट रिजेंबल्स द, और दिस ड्रेस इज नोन एज कूपिया, और ये काफ़ी हद तक कूफिया से रिजेंबल करती है, विच इज़ वॉर्न बाय द अरब्स पीपल और बाय द कर्ड्स. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. Hospitality means showing generosity to welcome or entertain the guests, right? And tales of valor means stories of bravery or courage that someone has shown in the war. So here we are getting to know something more about the people of Kurg, that they are very hospitable, they are generous in welcoming and entertaining their guests, and when they are together they just willing to recount the numerous stories of courage and bravery that has been shown by their sons or father, by their previous generation or the next generation in the wars. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army, and the first chief of the Indian army, General Cariappa, was a Kurgi. So from here we can get an idea that how much courageous or brave people they are. Most decorated here means someone who has received maximum awards for bravery in war. तो कुर्ग रेजिमेंट जो है, there is a regiment in Indian Army with the name of Kurg. Kurg regiment जो है, it is the most decorated, means it is the regiment that has received maximum awards for their bravery. And the first chief of Indian Army even was a Kurgi, and his name was General Cariappa. Even now, Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. So from here we can realize their faithfulness, कि वो इतने faithful people हैं that even we can rely on them, that we can that even India in India these people have been permitted to carry even firearms without a license. When license is something that is very necessary to carry a firearm, these people have been allowed to carry it without a license. The river Kaveri obtain its water from the hills and forest of Kurg. There is a very famous river in South India, Kaveri. It obtain its water from hills and forest of Kurg. So this place is having geographical value as well. Mahasir, a large fish, freshwater fish, abounds in this water. So there is a large freshwater fish. Its name is Mahasir, that is found in this fresh water of this river. Kingfishers dive for their catch. और हम वहाँ पर किंग फिशर विच इज़ अ बर्ड उसको हम देख सकते हैं. सो हेयर वी कैन नाउ द राइटर इज गिविंग अस द नेचुरल giving us the description of a natural beauty कि what kind of scenery or what kind of wildlife will be visible. ठीक है, अगर आप इस जगह पर घूमने आ रहे हो तो आपको क्या क्या देखने को मिलेगा. किंग फिशर्स हम देख सकते हैं which are diving to catch that freshwater fish, while squills and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect of the in the clear water. वहीं हम squills और langurs को they just eat a part of the fruit or rest of the fruit they just throw into the water due to mischief to enjoy the splash. वो जब फेंकते हैं तो जो पानी ऊपर उछल कर आता है they just want to enjoy that ripple effect or splashing effect of the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahouts. Mahouts are the caretaker of elephants. तो elephants भी यहाँ visible हैं. We can enjoy seeing them while they have been scrubbed or bathed by their mahouts, by their caretakers in the water of river. The most laid-back individual become converts to the life of high energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. So laid-back means relaxed or the people who are not in hurry. So such individuals, they can use or they can enjoy the high energy adventures here like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain biking. So here we are getting the information that what kind of adventurous games can be enjoyed in this particular tourist region. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. तो numerous walking trails means जो forest region है, people used a common way to move और उसके कारण क्या हुआ है दैट वो वहाँ से प्लांटेशन बिल्कुल गायब हो गई है और वो वॉकिंग के लिए ही वो रास्ते तैयार हो गए हैं. तो दे आर रियली enjoyed by the trekkers. Birds, bees, butterfly are there to give you company and when these trekkers move from those walking trails तो वहाँ जो हैं birds, bees और butterfly जैसे insects और birds जो हैं they just give you company. Macaws, Malabar squirrels, langurs, slender lories, these are the terrestrial animals which keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. They will keep a watch on the trekkers from the shelter of the trees which has been created by the branches of the trees. Dense growth में जो पेड़ों के ऊपर रहने वाले animals हैं they will also give you a watch. ठीक है. I do however prefer to step aside for wild elephant. और यहाँ पर writer is telling कि when you are moving from those walking trails so you can have an encounter with wild elephants or if you have such an encounter then you need to be step aside यानी आपको उनको वे देना होगा. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. तो panoramic view means a view of a wide area of land. तो जब आप ब्रह्मगिरी हिल्स से जब आप आगे जाते हो तो इट विल गिव यू अ व्यू of entire misty landscape of Coorg, which is a beautiful scene to observe. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island. फिर वहाँ पर एक rope bridge है जिसको cross करके you will reach to the island of Nisargdhama. और this island is extended to 64 acres. or running into Buddhist monk from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby Bailakup is a bonus. और फिर आप यहाँ पर एक बोनस की तरह बाइलाकुप में जो टिप्टन सेटलमेंट है वेयर यू कैन सी द बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क दैट कैन बी ऑल्सो एंजॉयड. द मॉन्क्स इन रेड ऑकर एंड येलो रोब्स जो रेड ऑरेंज और येलो कपड़ों में आपको दिखते हैं आर अमंग्स द मेनी सरप्राइजेस दैट वेट टू बी डिस्कवर्ड बाय विजिटर्स सर्चिंग फॉर द हार्ट एंड सोल ऑफ इंडिया राइट हियर इन Coorg. तो दैट कुड बी द मोस्ट adorable thing. This is one of amongst the surprises which could be discovered by the visitors who are here, who wanted to actually discover the soul and heart of India, and they could find this right here in Coorg. So here the writer wanted to tell us or wanted to show us or wanted to give us a graphic description of this wonderful, beautiful tourist land, and which is actually adding to the beauty of, or which is adding to the diversity of this beautiful, our beautiful country, that is India. So this was the second portion. I hope you understand. In our next video, we will do the last and the third part, that is Assam Fort Tree. Till now, bye everyone.